Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel, supported by huringa.co.in. Today we are going to discuss about Adani Ports stock. We would like to see, we will do the analysis, technical analysis on Adani Ports, and then uh, let's see actually whether Adani, what we can do with Adani Ports, whether we can do day trading, how we get benefit from Adani Ports, like by doing day trading or swing trading or long-term investment. Okay. Today is October 17th, and right now the market is going on. When I come across this Adani Ports stock, I felt like making a video on this because there are a few points which are worth noting when it comes to this particular popular stock. Adani Ports is like belongs to this infrastructure domain, and nowadays in India, infrastructure is given a big boost. So, in this regard, I would like to discuss about Adani Ports and see what lies there in the future for Adani Ports. Okay. So now I already opened this Adani Ports technical chart, and what you're seeing here is this. I mean the technical chart right now. What you're seeing is the technical chart. I am as I already told in my previous videos. First, I would like to discuss about the indicators that I am using, technical indicators that I am using to do the analysis for this particular stock. I'm using Darvas, I'm using moving averages, super trend, RSI, MACD, momentum. All these parameters, all these technical indicators, I'm using with my customized parameters. Okay, now we will do the we come to the mainstream analysis. Okay, first I would like to focus on the swing trading. Okay, for that I need to see the day chart. Okay, what you are seeing right now is the day chart, and this is the thing. This is Adani Ports. Okay, and Adani Ports day chart. Okay, today is this. Okay, what you are seeing right now, the crosshairs, is this particular candle. Okay, it is forming right now. Actually, the time is 1:47. So still, 1 and a half hour trading. Trading goes up to 3:30. So still a few more hours are there. What I'm seeing right now is like Adani Ports uh, is as per this particular technical indicators, the judgment is something like this. If you see, first we will see the overall scope. Adani Port has peaked. Okay, price of the peak price of Adani Port so far is 421. That happened in August 7th. Okay, and today whatever you're seeing is today is 410 is the latest peak. That means the price is going down. The peak price is going down. Uh, okay, and let's see from January. In this particular year so far, how Adani Ports has fared. Uh, See, this is 2017. Okay, 2017 January. Okay, if you see on 2017 January, the price of Adani Ports is 264, whereas right now it is 405. Uh, Very good. Very good development. Progressive this thing when it comes to the price point. It almost 200 rupees, 264. If you add 200, then it is a 464. It's literally 150 rupees extra. Okay, this is very good when it comes to the progress, the price movement of the Adani ports. Whoever has invested in Adani ports in January of this year definitely might have made good money. Okay, and if you see right now, what is the scope? Okay, uh, what is the future? What lies in the future when it comes to the swing trading? Okay, so right now the price is going down. Okay, if you see the super trend, you see the green color arrows here. Okay, it is going up. But if you see the zigzag and see the downward price movement already started. Okay, and maybe within the next few days we can see the red color arrows of the super trend gets displayed here. That means it's a confirmation that the price movement is the price is going down, okay, for the next consecutive days. Okay, and whether this analysis is right or wrong, we will see that thing in the other technical indicators like RSI, MACD, momentum, and then we will take a call. Okay, now RSI. If you look at the RSI, this is RSI. Okay, if you look at the RSI, you see the trend is going down. Okay, it already hit the peak 80 line, and now it is on its downward path. Okay, now this particular thing is in alignment with what we discussed right now. The price is going down. Okay, now coming to MACD. In MACD, the signal line is above the red line, and if you see the histogram, just now the red bar started popping up. Okay, maybe though the gap between the signal and the red line is on the higher side. But at this moment we cannot decide. But the way the MACD is displaying, it seems that the price is going up. Okay, so this is not in alignment with what we discussed. So what we discussed so far. Then about zigzag this thing, and RSI are both are saying that Adani Ports price will go down, but MACD is saying that the Adani price will go up. Okay, look at the momentum. Now momentum is very strong. This thing, I really love this indicator. Why? Because no matter what other indicators tell us, but whatever momentum shows us or tells us, most of the time, as per my experience, that happen. So I really believe in momentum. Whenever I get confused, whenever other indicators confuse me, then I go by momentum. So look at the momentum. The momentum graph is going down. So I firmly believe that Adani Ports price is about to go down in the next few coming days. Okay. Now, as per this analysis, what I feel is like for swing trading, right now this is not a good stock because the price is going down. Okay. Now I go to the day trading. For that I clicked on the 1 minute chart. So this is the 1 minute chart. Right now the market, as I told you, the market is going is running right now. Okay, now if you look at the volatility, look at the MACD here. The signal line is on top of the red line most of the time the day, and it is like it is trying to be on top of the red line most of the time. So this is a good sign. But look at the momentum. If you look at the momentum chart, very rarely, you see when the market starts by okay, this is the market. This is today's market. Okay, if you look at this one, then first it went down, momentum went down and peaked up, and next peaked up, went down. Okay, this one, and overall the market is the graph is sticking to the baseline, and whenever the maximum movements are towards the downside. 1 2 3 4 5 6 so far, 6 downsides and 3 upsides, 3 upward movements and 6 downward movements. That means the market, that means the price is going down. That's what we can see. uh, the momentum, the volatility is not much. So when it comes to day trading, today particularly, I don't think people might have made big money on this one, except that when they invested at the lowest point, whenever the stock hit the lowest point, at that moment, if they had invested, then they might have made a little bit of money. But it is not possible because no one knows actually how the market moves and how the momentum for a particular stock moves. Okay. If you look at the overall this thing for the past 3-4 days or 5 days, if you look at the momentum, there are a few spikes towards downside and towards upside, but 60-70% of the market is like it is sticking to the 60% of the time the market the graph is sticking to the baseline. So it is like 40% volatility. Volatility is a little bit. Based on its popularity, we expect a lot of volatility. But this particular stock, in practical, this thing, it is not showing that much. I mean that it is not giving us that much volatility so that we can do some sort of day trading. Okay, so whoever is interested, they can do that. I mean, for day trading, it is the stock is okay. Now we will go and check whether this particular stock is good for long term investment or not. For that, I am clicking on the monthly chart. Okay, now monthly chart. Okay, okay, okay. This is a monthly chart. Now I have data since 2009 up to 2017 October 17th. Okay, this particular stock, if you look at the history, this particular stock has hit its bottom in 2008, and that time it was sold at 52 rupees. Okay, after that it picked up. I mean, it started going up, moving up, and now it is 405 rupees. 405 rupees 15 paise. Okay, 5 eighths. That means 8 times it has grown. So the point is, how many years? How many years it took? It literally took 2008 onwards. The journey started. So 8 and 17. Okay, it's literally 9 years. 9 years, and 8 times it has grown every year. On an average, it is like 0.8%, like that it has grown. So as for me, the stock is growing at a very low rate, at a very low pace. So people might have made money whoever has invested a long time ago, but not that much. I mean, compared to other stocks which are literally giving 100%, 200%, 300% returns, this stock is not. I mean, we cannot compare the stock with such kind of stocks. Okay, so it's like a medium pace, low to medium pace stock. It's okay. If you want to slowly increase your money, then this is the stock. It's okay for long term investment, but it takes a lot of time. Okay, this is the analysis for Adani Ports from TrendRider channel. And if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.